Better than fiction, true travel tales from great fiction authors. Well, that's hard to say. As the title accurately tells us, is a collection of short stories from fiction authors based on their travel experiences. It was first published in English in 2012. I actually bought this book in a second-hand bookstore in Bangkok, which you can see by that stamp. It was recommended to me by a fellow traveler I met in the hostel I stayed at. I had been wanting to visit Thailand for a while. My trip back in 2020 was cancelled because of COVID, or I had to cancel because of COVID. And this year, I'd given myself 1 month of being jobless, in between jobs, in order to travel. It was also my first extended trip alone. It was fun and I met many other travelers and led to the decision that I want to travel more, as long as reasonable and possible. I am at the age where people start to have kids. Travels will be a lot more difficult with responsibilities beyond just myself, so if not now, when else? As regards traveling in the environment, which might be an issue to you, I haven't really found a solution for myself yet. I call myself consciously egoistic, which might make it worse. I should probably at least be vegan, I'm not gonna lie. Politics should do more, I think, at least. Controversial in these time and days. I can't speak apparently. This book is a number of travel storybooks the Lonely Planet has published, so even if you can't find this exact one as it's secondhand, there should be others. I also never realized that the Lonely Planet is an Australian publisher, which is noticeable in their choice of authors. If you want to travel, even just in your mind, if you want to read stories from Mexico about playing football, in South Africa, about watching football, and about traveling to the South Pole, and about life-changing conversation you can have with beggars in India or rich Nicaraguans, this is for you. If you want to be curious and brave, broaden your horizon and embrace all that is out there, as pathetic, weird as that sounds, this book will make the world, I think, seem less intimidating. The world can be quite cruel. These aren't exactly nice times, but it can also be very, very kind. It is big and it's full of adventures, at least in our minds. Should we be allowed to travel? To understand others? To be kind people. These are the authors. Isabelle, probably one of the more famous ones. Or Joyce Carol Oates. I never realized the very last part is literally oats, as in the stuff you have for breakfast. Sorry. It's a compilation of short stories with short sections about the authors as well. So if that sounds interesting to you, consider reading Better Than Fiction.